Extreme weather can cause significant roof damage, so always follow these steps after a storm. First, check your roof. Look for damaged or missing shingles, exposed flashing, leaks, and more. Next, you're going to want to review your homeowner's policy to find out what your deductible is, what exclusions may apply, and what the policy limit is. Do you have replacement cost value coverage, which pays the full cost of a comparable new roof, or actual cash value coverage, which pays for the depreciated value of your roof prior to the damage? Then, find a credentialed ROOFPRO contractor if possible, and avoid contractors who won't service your roof after installation. File your claim ASAP. Many insurance companies won't cover the damage after a certain period of time. Now lastly, have an IKO ROOFPRO contractor inspect your roof and walk through the entire repair replacement process.